Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The bestGravestone cleaner is probably one of the most essential products for anyone looking to preserve the memory and appearance of a loved one's final resting place, ensuring that their headstone remains a dignified and well-maintained tribute for years to come, reflecting the care and respect we hold for their legacy. Number 5. Weiman Granite and Stone Cleaner 3-in-1. Introducing Weiman Granite and Stone Cleaner. It's a powerful 3-in-1 solution designed to tackle grease, stains, and watermarks on your natural stone surfaces. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free finish with our advanced formula. It leaves your countertops looking pristine without any residue. Our innovative stain shield technology actively protects against future messes. Keep your stone surfaces looking newer for longer. This cleaner is safe for a variety of stone types, including marble, quartz, tile, granite, quartzite, and slate. You can trust it for all your delicate surfaces. Experience effortless cleaning and beautiful results with Weiman. It's the perfect solution for maintaining the natural beauty of your stone. What we like? This cleaner offers a powerful 3-in-1 action, tackling grease, stains, and watermarks effectively. Its streak-free formula ensures a beautiful finish every time. If you're looking for a reliable cleaner that also provides long-term protection against future stains, this is an excellent choice for maintaining your granite surfaces. What people say. Spray and wipe with the cloth included takes all those stains out. The stain shield technology really helps prevent spills from soaking in, which gives me peace of mind with my light-colored countertops. It removes grease and stains effortlessly without any harsh chemical smell. Number 4. Stone Care International Granite Cleaner. Introducing the ultimate solution for your granite surfaces. This powerful cleaner is designed to tackle dirt and grime, leaving your stone looking its best. Watch as it effortlessly restores the natural shine of your granite. It's perfect for everyday messes and tough stains alike. Not just for granite. This versatile cleaner is also safe and effective on marble, travertine, limestone, and slate. Keep all your natural stone looking pristine. Its gentle formula cleans thoroughly without damaging delicate stone surfaces. Enjoy a brilliant clean with peace of mind. Achieve a long-lasting sparkle that enhances the beauty of your home. This cleaner makes stone care simple and effective. Trusted by professionals, this cleaner delivers exceptional results. Make the smart choice for maintaining your valuable stone investments. What we like? This option comes in a generous 32-ounce bottle, providing great value. It's designed to clean a variety of stone surfaces, including granite, tile, travertine, limestone, and slate. If you have diverse stone surfaces in your home and want a single, effective cleaner for all of them, this product is ideal. What people say. This cleaner effortlessly lifts fingerprints, spills, and everyday grime without leaving streaks or residue. It doesn't dull the shine or damage the seal on my granite, and it has a light, pleasant scent that doesn't overpower the kitchen. Make stone so shiny you'll check yourself out mid-wipe. Number 3. Weiman Disinfectant Granite Daily Clean and Shine, 2-pack. Introducing the Weiman Disinfectant Granite Daily Clean and Shine. This powerful cleaner is designed to safely clean, disinfect, and shine your countertops. It effectively works on a variety of surfaces including granite, marble, quartz, and more. Keep your kitchen looking its best with this all-in-one solution. Achieve a brilliant shine while eliminating germs and bacteria. This formula is tough on grime but gentle on your surfaces. Each pack comes with a polishing cloth to help you achieve a streak-free finish. Get that showroom shine with every use. Make daily cleaning a breeze with this convenient and effective product. Enjoy a cleaner, healthier home environment. Trust Weiman to provide the best care for your valuable countertops. It's the perfect addition to your cleaning routine. What we like? This product not only cleans but also disinfects your stone surfaces, offering an added layer of hygiene. It comes with a polishing cloth for a brilliant shine. If you prioritize a clean, disinfected, and sparkling countertop for everyday use, especially in high-traffic kitchen or bathroom areas, this 2-pack is a convenient solution. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough stains and grime from granite headstones. The formula is safe for use on granite and does not cause any damage or discoloration. It leaves the headstone looking like new, restoring its original shine and clarity. Number 2. Barry's Restore It All Cemetery Marker Care System. Introducing Barry's Restore It All, the internet sensation designed to clean and restore cemetery markers. It's the easy way to keep memorials looking their best. Tired of stubborn stains? This powerful system effectively removes hard water and calcium deposits. Watch as it brings back the original beauty of the marker. Don't let time and elements tarnish your loved one's markers. Our unique formula works to restore them to their former glory. It's a simple yet effective solution for lasting care. Join the thousands who have discovered the power of Barry's Restore It All. It's the trusted choice for cemetery marker maintenance across the nation. Achieve remarkable results with minimal effort. Simply apply and watch the magic happen. It's the hassle-free way to ensure memorials are always well maintained. This system goes beyond basic cleaning. It actively restores and protects, ensuring the marker's integrity for years to come. Experience the difference it makes. What we like. This system is specifically designed for the unique challenges of cleaning cemetery markers. It effectively removes tough deposits like hard water and calcium. If you need a specialized solution to restore and maintain the appearance of gravestones, this is the product you've been searching for. What people say. The cleaner effectively removed moss and lichen from the granite headstone, restoring its original appearance. It was easy to apply the cleaner using a spray bottle and a soft brush, and it required minimal scrubbing. The granite surface was left streak-free and with a subtle sheen after using this product. Number 1. Stone Care International Granite Cleaner, 2-pack. Introducing Stone Care International Granite Cleaner, your solution for a pristine stone finish. This powerful cleaner is designed for all your stone surfaces. Keep your stone surfaces looking their best with our safe, everyday formula. It's perfect for a quick clean and a brilliant shine whenever you need it. Tired of streaks? Our cleaner safely removes grease, grime, and watermarks. Enjoy a spotless, streak-free finish every time. Our pH-balanced formula is gentle on your stone's seal. It effectively cleans without causing deterioration, preserving the integrity of your surfaces. Reveal the true beauty of your stone. This cleaner enhances the natural veining and patterns, bringing out the unique character of your surfaces. Ideal for granite, marble, quartz, tile, and all other sealed stone types. Use it on countertops, vanities, shower walls, and more. What we like. This cleaner is safe for everyday use, providing a quick and easy way to maintain a beautiful shine. Its streak-free formula and pH-balanced composition protect your stone seal. If you desire a product that offers consistent, gentle cleaning and long-term stone protection for your countertops and other stone features, this is a fantastic option. What people say. I use this product every single day on my counters and it leaves it beautiful and shiny brand new. It doesn't have a strong smell, so it's good to use every single day. Use this all the time on my granite countertops. Love how the countertop feels after cleaning, looks shiny and feels so smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.